This is Operation Scare the Crap Out of Mini-Me. As you can see, we've still got the air horn we used previously to kill off the endangered couch monster species.
Mini-Me's work.
Yeah, we actually purchased this at Party America where Mini-Me is currently employed. Alright, Operation Scare Mini-Me is now in progress.
What if she's sleeping? She's gonna be pissed.
Oh, dude, she's gonna kill us if she's sleeping.
Yeah.
So, hope the little communist is awake. Oh, okay. Looks like I've officially taken over Operation Scare Mini-Me. Hi, guys.
Yes, this would be crackhead's work now. If we die, it'll be because of him. Long ass hallway.
Here we go. Yes, this could be the last thing we do, guys.
Oh yeah! You want to go in now? Did you see her?
No, I didn't see her. I don't know if it's here. Mini-Me? Hi, Mini-Me. How are you? Did Operation Scare Me?